channel. My name is Okeke Cynthia, and in this channel I talk about personal finance, career and personal growth. And today's video, I'm explaining what budget rule is all about. What budget rule is all about. Now, if you have your salary or your income from your business, you have received your salary for the month or your income from your business, how do you budget your money? That is a very important question to answer. How do you budget your money? Or do you just wait when it lands? It has gone. You don't know where it went to. You don't know what you spent your money on. You don't know what you use your money to purchase. But this video will help you to explain how to budget your money accordingly and to spend wisely. Now come with me. The budget rule says that you have to split your money into 50%, 30%, and 20%. 50% goes to your needs such as your groceries, your rent, your transportation, your debts, maybe parents upkeep and all of those things that are really important to you. Then the 30% goes to your wants such as shopping. You want to go for shopping, your vacation, your hobbies, entertainment and whatnot. Then 20% goes to your savings and investments. Now this is just a rule. You can adjust it accordingly to your lifestyle. You can adjust it to the way you want. If you're staying with your parents, you don't have to pay rent anymore. You can take the remaining part of the money for your needs and put it in your savings. For me, actually, I'm not using 50, 30, and 20. I'm actually using 50% for needs, 30% for savings and investments, and 20% for wants, because I don't know what I will be shopping. If I'm shopping now and shopping all the time with my money, in the future, I don't know who will save me. My savings will not be enough to save me. Now, this budget rule, I want you to make it one of the things you always remember when you receive your salary and to budget your money. Please make sure you use this budget rule. It is very important. Now, for your savings and investments, you can save for your emergency funds. You can invest in stocks, bonds, ETFs, crypto, real estate, and all of that. You can also invest for your retirement. Yes, you can invest for your retirement. You can invest to buy something that will yield profit for you in the future. Then for your wants, remember there are more times for you to shop. There are days you can go for vacation. Don't spend all your money on vacation or on your hobbies. Please always remember that. I hope this video is very helpful for you. Please leave your comments in the comment section. Write me some things if the video is helpful, if you have been using this budget rule, or if you'll be applying this budget rule from now onwards. Thank you. Please also don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube. It helps this channel to grow. Please don't forget to do that. See you and be blessed. Ciao.